Hi children, the lesson we are going to do today is chapter 12, page 64. So the lesson is weather and seasons. Now I'm sure you know what the weather is. No, the weather is what we experience in the weather. No, it can be a sunny day, it can be a rainy day. So this is the weather and seasons. So let's see what this lesson is saying about this topic. Weather. How is the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it raining? The weather can change in a very short time. It may be sunny in the morning and cloudy in the evening. Right. So now children, we are experiencing something like that, isn't it, in Sri Lanka, where it can be sunny, it can be cloudy, or it can be raining. And what are they saying? That it can change in a very short time. Now you know in Sri Lanka these days it is very sunny in the morning, isn't it? And then by evening it becomes cloudy, and then suddenly it starts raining. The clouds become all heavy and dark, and then it starts raining. No, so we know that the weather can change very fast, right? Okay, so now see, they have given us pictures of these children where it's sunny and it's raining. Okay, seasons. In some months of the year it is very hot. We wear light cotton clothes. We like to drink plenty of water and cold drinks. We call this summer season. In most places in India, April, May and June are hot summer months. So now they are saying that during the summer season, now we also in Sri Lanka, we have a hot season, isn't it? We can call it summer. It's a hot season. No, we experience that for March, April and May. We experience this hot season. So during this season, we wear very light clothes, cotton clothes. Some of you may be wearing shorts, some of you may be wearing sleeveless t-shirts and things like that, so that you keep your body cool, because it's very hot. And even in Sri Lanka here it's very hot. Okay, so that is what they are saying about the summer season. Now you can see the pictures they have given us. You can see that there is a boy and there is a girl drinking some cool drinks. Now during this summer season we like to drink a lot of cold things, isn't it? A lot of cold things like cold drinks or some ice cream, to cool our body, because our body becomes very hot. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Page number 65. Right. So in some months it is very cold. There may even be snowfall in the mountains. We wear woolen clothes and like to take hot drinks. We call this winter season. Right children, now here in Sri Lanka we don't have this winter seasons. We have cold months, but we don't have the winter season. So but what are they saying? In the countries that have this winter season, it becomes very cold, and sometimes there is snowfall, where there is snow that falls. Now I'm sure you must be having relatives in other countries where they experience this winter season. No, in some countries, though it's winter, there is snowfall, like in Australia. In Australia, in about a month's time it's going to be winter, but they don't have snowfall. But in other European countries, most of the winter season is during December and January, so they have snowfall, right? So and during the winter seasons, what do you wear? They wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes, that woolen means things, this material keeps them warm. It keeps them warm. I'm sure you may be having a woolen jacket or a woolen a little cap, where here in Sri Lanka when we go to Nuwara we take it, isn't it? So that keeps the cold away from our body. So you can see in the picture there are two boys. They are all clothed up with this woolen jackets and all that, and they're having something hot to drink. Right. In India, November, December and January and February are cold winter months. So now, like I told you before, this book is printed in India, so they are speaking about India. Okay, so what are they saying? November, December and January, February are cold winter months. Now in our country also we know, children, during December and January, it's a little bit of a cold month. It's not as cold as where we have to wear woolen jackets and all that, but we also experience a little bit of a cold a few months during December to January. In some parts of India, it's not very cold. In most parts of South India, we do not need woolen clothes in winter. So what are they saying? Now India is a huge country, so they're speaking about the different parts of the country. So they are saying in the south of India, they don't need to wear woolen clothes or during winter. It's not as cold as the other parts of the country. In some months it rains very much. We have to carry raincoats and umbrellas to protect ourselves from rain. We call this the rainy season. It's also called the monsoon season. So what are they saying? In other months there is rain as well, right? Rain. So when it rains, what do they need? They need umbrellas, they need raincoats to protect themselves, otherwise they will get sick. Here even in Sri Lanka, now you can see it is raining during the evenings. So we are coming into the monsoon month, so we are coming into the rainy season here even in Sri Lanka. So between this May to July, we have this rainy season or this monsoon season. In many parts of India, it rains the most in June and July. In other places, it rains the most in July and August. So what are they saying? Like I told you, India is a big country. So from different states to different part of the country, it rains during certain months. In certain places, in many parts they say it rains in June and July, and in other places it rains in July and August. Summer, winter and monsoon are the three main seasons in India. In some places there are two seasons. So what are they saying in India? Summer, winter and monsoon are the three main seasons in India, right? Like here even Sri Lanka, we can also say this, but we cannot say winter, because like I told you, here in the most parts of the country we don't get it as cold as winter. Maybe in Nuwara up country it becomes cold, but not as much. So they are saying summer, winter and monsoon are the three main seasons in India. In some places there are two more seasons. So in some places there are two more seasons. There is spring, which comes between winter and summer, and autumn, which comes just before winter. So what are they saying? In some places there are two other seasons, because usually there are four seasons. So what are they saying? Spring comes in between winter and summer, and autumn comes just before winter. Okay, children? Right. Now we are going to page number 66. Recognizing the weather. Recognizing the weather. So now you can see they have given us the three pictures. So how do we recognize the first picture? We can this name the first picture cloudy, isn't it? Can you see the clouds? The cloud is covering the sun, and the clouds are very dark. So we can call this cloudy. Then the next picture, what can we call it? We can see there is the sun, so then we can say sunny. And then the third picture, what does the picture show you? It's raining, so we can say rainy. Okay, so this is the three pictures. Then recognize the seasons, right? So that is the weather. Now they want us to recognize the seasons. So what is the first picture? You can see it's winter, isn't it? This child has made a snowman out of snow. So that is the winter season, right? Then the second picture, they are out in the pool. They are out in the pool. So usually people go to the pool when it's hot. So that will be summer. That will be summer. Then the third picture, what is the child wearing? The child is wearing a raincoat, and having an umbrella. So this is the rainy or the monsoon season. Rainy or the monsoon season. Okay, so you see we wrote all three seasons. That's winter, summer and the monsoon season. Okay, children, so that is how we are going to write the words for that. Then number 3, put right for true and wrong for false. So put right for true and X for false. Okay, so let's see the first question. A, in the winter months it is very cold all over India. In the winter months it is very cold all over India. Is that true or false? Now if you listen to the lesson that I explained, you should be able to answer this question. In the winter months, it is very cold all over India. No, it is wrong, isn't it? Because they say some parts of India are very cold and the other parts are not that cold. So the A will put a wrong at the end of the sentence. B, May is a hot summer month. May is a hot summer month. Yes, so we will put a right to that, because if you see in the previous in the lesson when they said April, May and June are hot summer months, no? So they are saying May is a hot summer month. That will be right. Then C, it rains a lot throughout the year in India. It rains a lot throughout the year in India. Now let's see, in some parts of India, no? So does it rain a lot in the most? It says it rains a lot throughout the year in India. Is that true? No, that is not true. There is a time for that. No, like we read, there is particular months for that. There is particular months. No, so here in the lesson they said that there are certain times of the month, and usually it rains in June and July, isn't it? In June and July. So that will be wrong. It rains a lot throughout the year in India. That will be wrong. Right, children? Then we'll go to D. In winter, we wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. In winter, we wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. That is right, isn't it? Like I explained to you, when it's very cold, people wear the woolen jackets and they cover their head, no, to keep the cold away. So that you will put a right. Okay, right, children? So this is the work for this lesson. So read the lesson well again and understand it before you answer the questions in page number 66. Okay, so I will continue the lesson on Thursday with the balance work that you have to do, but for now this will be all. So please read and understand the lesson and answer the questions in the workbook itself in page number 6. Okay, children, till I see you next, take care, bye.